4 different irrigation cycle options are provided on this controller for each program. To choose a cycle, turn the dial to the Advanced Cycles position. Press the up or down arrow buttons to scroll through the display choices of Custom, Cyclic, Odd, or Even. Custom allows you to set which days of the week the irrigation program will run. If this option is selected, turn the dial to select the days of the week you want to water. The program you're modifying, the day of the week, and the watering status are displayed on the screen. To prevent irrigation, press the Off button. To allow irrigation, press the On button. Turn the dial to the next day position and repeat until all 7 days have been reviewed. When complete, turn the dial to the Auto position. Cyclic allows you to set a program to run on specific days and can be set between 1 and 31 days. To modify the cyclic settings, press the Manual Start Advance button when cyclic is displayed on the screen. The active program, the days remaining until the cycle starts, and the day cycle or days of delay between irrigation cycles will be displayed on the screen. With the day cycle value flashing, press the up or down arrow until the desired number of days between irrigation is reached. Press Manual Start Advance to modify the number of days remaining until irrigation begins. Press the up or down arrow until the desired number of days is reached. When complete, turn the dial to the Auto position. Odd allows programs to run only on odd days of the month. To select odd days only, press the up or down arrow buttons until odd is displayed. Then turn the dial to Auto. Even allows programs to run only on even days of the month. To select even days only, press the up or down arrow buttons until even is displayed. Then turn the dial to Auto. You now have set your watering start times and irrigation schedules in the ESP modular controller.